study in Sylhet here, but another time I came Sylhet, but it's first time.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm here again at Sylhet International Cricket Ground. I have a very special one. He's a very famous and very popular person in Bangladesh, Mr. Kapi. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Yes, I'm really good and awesome. So this is your city, the city of the Sylhet, the natural resort, the tea. This is the oldest, very attractive place. So do you enjoy this? The first time, that I'm asking you that BPL in Sylhet. Do you enjoy this?
You sure? I'm first time in BPL studio in Sylhet here, but another time I came Sylhet, but it's first time.
All right, so obviously you're a supporter of the Sylhet Riders.
No. I don't support now Sylhet because my personal team have in BPL Borishal. I support Borishal.
All right, so have you any popular Bangla? That Borishal, any sound for Borishal, local Bangla?
Local Bangla, Mora Borishal.
So you are asking about so local anything. So as a Borishal Pola is also popular.
Borishal Pola also popular. Sorry, you say again.
It's Borishal Pola. It's called the Borishal Pola. So have you more any Bangla dialogue? Yes. When have you started your journey personally? That's to come here your position. Have you any advice to young generation, those who are like you want to be?
It's very hard, but I always true speak in our country because our country have a very problem in political or unpolitical. So this time I always speak in true. Like হচ্ছে পাঁচটা সুযোগ নেই হকালালে authentic pure কথা বলতে হবে. So it is very accept our generation like হচ্ছে Gen Z generation. So they accept me and I enjoy this.